Welcome to Monkey Doodle, friends. Today we're going to do a silly cupcake character. And this cupcake character is going to be hanging out on a skateboard, so let's go. Start up here with what looks like, sort of like an upside down teardrop. Or really I should say right side up. It'll be the first layer of cream on top of our cupcake. And go around it. Another layer and touch the other side. And one more layer, a little bit wider but not as thick. And around to there, touch the other side. Alright. Now we're going to put two straight lines on the bottom. Slant it a little bit. And close it with a little short curve. I'm going to make two silly eyes. One bigger, one a little bit smaller like I like to do. And we'll put some eyelashes on this cupcake girl. And two dark circles, the light spot inside. There we go. And a silly smile with two teeth sticking out. Always makes them look a little sillier. And we're going to do a couple lines that come down. It'll look like the paper of the cupcake. Just do that in different spots, up and down. And we'll put an arm sticking out this way. Long arm, make it thick at where it meets the body. 1, 2, 3, 4 hands. 4 fingers for the loop. And we're going to do another one curving out this way. Thicker towards the body. 4 loops. 1, 2, 3. Shorter for the thumb. And this character, let's see, will have 2 legs. Short legs. That are hooked up. Riding a skateboard, 2 little ovals. And watch, we're going to do a big shape underneath it. Go up, down, back this way, and right there. And we don't have a lot of room, but we'll do some wheels over here. Put a big wheel in the back, a big wheel in front with a circle in the middle for each one. Maybe a little bit of a line here for the edge. A little bit of a line here for the edge. Okay. And this crazy cupcake has some sprinkles, so we could put little kind of like squares in different spots, so they could even be ovals or circles. You guys decide. All right. Yeah. Cupcake girl on the go. And we'll put some flying sprinkles on the outside. That'd be kind of cool. They're just falling right off that cupcake. Wild stuff here. Whoever thought that a cupcake could ride a skateboard. Alright. Hope you guys like this. And get ready to hyperspace color.
Hey guys, check out what Babi did for the holidays. Babi, that's my cupcake. Come bring my cupcake, Babi.